Hi, welcome back to Min tutorial. Today we will talk about Y parameter. To understand what is Y parameter, I have the one box in blue and the second box in green. Now with the blue box, right click on this object and in the transform tab, select Y parameter. To be easy, I will select this high and connect it follow the dotted line to the green one, and I will select this width. The Y parameter wiring appear. In this, we have three-way to connection: two-way connection, one-way connection from the left to the right, or one-way connection from the right to the left. Firstly, we will test two-way connection. Click connect. Then open the modify box of the blue. When I change the height of the blue one, while the width of the green chain follow that, and it's on the same number. So now then we go to test with the one-way connection from the width of the green to the height of the blue. Click connect. This is one-way connection, and when we use one-way connection like that, the height of the blue box is blocked. We cannot change it high. If we want to change it high, you should to select the green one and change it width. That's how one-way connection work. Let's do another sample with the sphere. Now I have the sphere here, and I think about create the connection of the gradient of this sphere to the position of this blue box. And I will choose the Y position. Then choose two-way connection. Connect it and modify it on the modify panel. Increase the radius of the sphere, and we will see the blue box run in and out. But the sphere is too fast. I want to reduce this speed to the half, so I type in this table reduce the half, and then we test again. The radius increase, and we can see the moving of the blue box. This is the basic factor of the Y parameter. Let's think about the advanced thing that Y parameter can do when we drawing a massive building of the urban scale. So if we need to modify a lot of building, and with the Y parameter we need to do a lot of things on each box. So I will go to another example for using Y parameter to control the height of the building and its floor. Now we're going to next step. To SP line to drawing a simple floor of one building and extract that. This is the model of one building height 60 with the 20 segment. Each segment follow as can be as one floor high 3 meters. So if I want to change the height of the building, I want to increase this. That means the floor must be increased. But if we don't use the Y parameter, we need to do that very uh, physically. step by step on the modify panel. It's quite hard. So how to use the y parameter to do that is right click on the building, y parameter, modify the object, extrude to connect the amount of the object and connect it with the itself to and to the segment. Now the amount of the building connect to the segments of the building. The amount here means the height of the building. So in this situation, we should connect in one-way connection. That that means when we want to increase the height of the building, each time we increase one floor means 3 mass. So I will plus 3 in this segment. Connect it and update. So when I increase this building floor, this height increase follow. That's how the Y parameter work to help us in doing massing building. Now I have another tip to work with the massing building. Now we can change the height of the building. And how about the shape of the building? To change the shape of the building, we can use the Y parameter. We will use the plugin named MinhVu normal spline plugin. Again, drawing another floor of the building with the spline. Again, we will learn how to apply VU on this. Go to VU plugin, select VU normal slide spline, and click on it on the top print to select position. Then go to the parameter and pick the line. At the position that you will select, another shape appear. This shape is the same with the shape that I create this previous. These shapes have interchange with each other, so if I modify any point of the spline shape, the VU spline will be modified follow that. So that means I will create the building on VU spline, and then after that I can easily modify this building shape by using that method. Now I will create the building from VU spline by copying the extract, modify of the reverse building on that. That building also, that copy will bring all the effect of Y parameter, connect the floor and the amount of the extract on that. And the VU spline separate the facades of the building with the high segment. This block look like the building with a lot of glass window. Now when I change the segment of this full building, this height will change follow that. Each floor is same as 3 mass floor. And now we turn back to the spline and modify it and look how the building will change. I want to turn this point to be the river or a curve to make the building look smooth and more expensive. And then I do the same thing with the opposite point. Move some little bit with another point, and now we have a quite modern building with the expansive shape. Now this all about Y parameter. See you in next episode.